I'm bag passionate. Welcome to my channel! For those who don't know me, I'm a French bag collector and fashion lover. Welcome, bienvenue. Today, look, I am in my bathroom because, yes, I think it's a good idea to show you how I clean my bags. I hope the sound is correct because in my bathroom we are not in my studio, so let's see, hope the sound is okay. I'm going to, I show you the bag we are going to clean. So this one I will show you how to clean a pliage one, some kind of special bag, this amazing Paris Saint-Tropez, and a leather bag. And here is my Foulonné crossbody, a vintage edition that I got for more than 10 years. So, how to clean bags and why I wanted to do this video. Well, I wanted to do this video because I receive a lot of questions how I clean my own collection, and sometimes also I see and read some things that people made some errors, so maybe it's a good thing that I share with you my experience and how I clean them. So let's start. So the very first item I'm going to show you how I clean it is this Longchamp Le Pliage Club, and well, let's see. But first I'm going to see something for the light. The light is not good. Give me 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The light is correct. So I'm going to clean my Pliage Club, but every pliage is okay. And I'm using a washcloth. This one is completely destroyed. I do not use it anymore for me and my family, just for my bags. And I'm using soap, traditional Marseille soap. Two brands are still making traditional soap. The video is not sponsored. I paid those items because I love their product. Marius Fabre and Rampal Latour. If you're going to the south of France and you see corner of these two brands, I advise you to buy some soap because they are really well made. Traditional one, really ecological and environmental friendly, and they are done like the traditional way, so perfect. I show you. I put some water on my washcloth, then it's better showing you like this. Yes, you see. So I put water on my clothes, then I put, you see, I put like this, and I gently, really gently, I put one hand in the back and I gently rub my bag like this, really gently. And doing this way, you can easily remove some stain, dust, and it's perfect. The bag is cleaned gently. When you want to put away the soap, you just wash it like this. You see? The soap is no more there. Of course, the bag is wet, but it's not a problem. You have your handle are still okay, such as this part of thing, and you can do the whole bag. You can wash the whole bag like this, and you just have to hang your bag where you want. For example, I show you. I hang it there, up, and oops, sorry, I let it dry. And your bag is clean. Well, concerning special material like my Paris Saint-Tropez, I recommend you to do the same. You can really gently, be careful, gently, I still have water. You rub gently the surface of your bag and look. Okay, my bag was clean, but you can put the dust away like this. So you can put a bit of soap or just water to clean it, and your bag is clean. Just be careful, just use a washcloth. This is the best tip I can give you, guys. Use this type of washcloth, and then you hang your bag without problem, not directly to the sun. If you're living like me I'm living in south of France, for those who don't know, and the sun there, it's a lot. So I used to dry my bag outside, but in a darker place, so the sun does not affect the color of my bags. So even special material like this one can be gently washed. The leather. Foulonné leather, you know, I'm completely crazy about Foulonné leather because it is a scratch resistant and also a bit water resistant. If you take your bag under the rain, of course if you're not waiting hours under the rain, but you can go and work under the rain, it's perfect. And of course, it's also perfect to wash it. So once again, you can take your clothes. Oh, I will. Sorry guys. Okay, I just show you again. You can see this one. I use it a few days, and I don't know if the light is correct, but there's a lot of dust. A lot of dust because where I am living, there are dust, a lot of dust. And once again, I take my washcloths, I take a bit of savon de Marseille soap, and I gently, really gently rub it on all the surface. Look, you can see, you can clearly see. I should have taken pics before and after, but you understand what I'm talking about. And that's all. So I have cleaned my whole bag, and now I'm going to wash it. And I gently rub the surface of my bag with the washcloth. And then you just use a towel. I've got small towels for that, and you gently swipe your bag. You gently swap. Oh, I still got something in the bag. And you gently swap your bag. And look. No more dust. And then you can, of course, clean the strap like this. And this is how I clean all my leather bags. All my leather bags are clean like this. Sorry, I don't know if you can see. Guys, this is the best trick I can give you. Please use washcloth and gentle soap. If you have a possibility to have some Marseille soap or traditional soap, even Alep soap is perfect to wash it. You don't need a big quantity, a big amount, of soap, but slightly rub the surface of your Pliage, Foulonné bag. Another tips concerning those kind of leather. This is my Roseau small version, and you can see this is grain leather. You already have some water on it. You can wash it with a tablecloth and soap. However, I already have done make him a beauty. However, I advise you to take the cloth only with water and even more gently rub it, because this leather is stiff, but it is not as good as resistant as the Foulonné one. For this one, you can check leather how it is. It's really good for every day, but concerning the cleaning, only the washcloth a bit already a bit wet, it's perfect to clean it. Concerning metis leather. Metis leather you can find on the whole Pliage cuir collection. Avoid to do so. I just inform you, if you want to clean it, take, how can I say that? Take just a tablecloth, dry one, and rub the surface gently. That's the only way to clean it, or bring it to the Longchamp boutique and see if they can do something. Do the care of this metis leather. The advice I can tell you is so rub with a dry washcloth and put some cream. If you do not have special leather cream, you can put hand cream. You know, you sometimes you use hand cream or body cream. They can work on the leather because the skin is a kind of leather, we can say. So you can gently take care of the metis leather with hand cream. Not a big amount, just carefully you rub it like this. Last point concerning pliage bags. I read sometimes, can I put my pliage nylon in the washing machine? Well, I will give a simple answer. Yes, you can. But, because there's a but, concerning myself, I have a bunch of pliage and I used to wash it, as I showed you, with a washcloth on my sink carefully. I use the washing machine for my pliage nylon when my bags are not new. I explain you why. When the bag is not new, the nylon material worked. The leather, the handles, the part of the leather already worked. And then when you put it on the washing machine, use only slow revolution, not 1,000 revolution. No, you just put at the lowest number of revolution and low temperature, even cold temperature, like 10 degree or 15 degree. In this case, you can use the washing machine, but I advise you to keep the washing machine for your oldest pliage, as the material works. It does not affect the bag. I never put my new pliage nylon in the washing machine. I always wait some years before putting them. And also, another thing, the last tip, if you wash them in the washing machine, I use this nest. I've got several sizes of this and it's perfect. I use also them for my underwear, but concerning my nylon bag, when I put them in the washing machine, I put them in this kind of nest fillet. You put the bag inside, okay, you close, and this tiny nest avoid the metallic part to eat a lot on the inside of your washing machine. So use this one when you want to wash your nylon bag in the washing machine. Guys, this was yes, one of a kind video. I hope you like it. If you like and the tips are useful for you, please give a thumbs up. If you have more questions, do not hesitate to write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you. But please remind you, use washcloth, be careful, rub gently with soap, or depending on the leather, with no soap but just water, and rub the surfaces gently. If you wash the washing machine, low revolution, low temperature, nice product to use, and of course a filet to put your bags, your nylon bags inside. Thanks for watching, have a great day, take care, bisous bisous, à bientôt.